Hello everyone. Today we are going to present a case study, Lam Tsuen Valley. Our group members are 8D Chelsea, 9A Eunice, 9A Chloe, and 9E Alberta. This is the comparison of the 3D map we made and the relief map of Lam Tsuen Valley. Lam Tsuen Valley is a place located in the western part of Tai Po District in New Territories. It is a valley between Tai Po Shan and Tai Dao Dang. In Hong Kong, most places are mostly developed for residential use, but Lam Tsuen Valley is mostly developed as agricultural land. Why does it choose to develop as farming land use but not commercial land use? Because its area is suitable for cultivation. Our food can't always depend on other regions. We also need local food supply.
There are woodland in Lam Tsuen Valley. It is a good place for being a habitat for many creatures. Many species of birds with high conservation value, like the globally critically endangered yellow-branded mantis and the vulnerable sulphur mantis, live here. It is also a valuable recreational land use resource.
The climate of Hong Kong is favorable for cultivation. The annual mean temperature is 22.6 degrees, which is high. The annual range of temperature is 20 degrees. It is small. The annual rainfall is 2,400 millimeters, which is high. The rainfall pattern is uneven and it is concentrated in summer. Therefore, Hong Kong has a long growing season and frost-free period. Mostly Hong Kong farms are market gardening, which is intensive commercial arable farming. Its input per land ratio is high. The products are mostly used for selling. It is mostly grow vegetables and flowers like cabbage, lettuce, kale, radish, spring onion, and so on.
Why is it suitable for arable farming? In physical factors, it is near the Lam Tsuen River, so there is enough water supply. Also, many highlands are located there and sheltered by the cold northerly wind. The farms there are located in the flat and fairly lowland. There are also alluvium, like fertile soil. For human factors, there are some roads that connect to the main road in Tai Po, and it is convenient to transport the products to the market in Tai Po. Fresh vegetables can be provided to the residents who live near Tai Po Market.
Besides farming, there are also villages. It was suggested to convert farmlands into 36 low-density residential buildings in 2020. It was rejected because it is needed to protect the habitat for animals and prevent polluting Lam Tsuen River.
It also has many environmental problems, and most of them are related to water, because it is close to Lam Tsuen River. It is easy to case river flooding when it rains heavily, like in April 2011. The sewage problem is also a major issue. Lam Tsuen Valley is the only large catchment area in Hong Kong that is not protected by the Country Parks Ordinance. 45% of the brownfields in the area are close to the Lam Tsuen River, and this highly affects the water quality. According to the survey made by Green Power and the Hong Kong Baptist University, 27.2% of the residents believe that the sewage can be discharged in the Lam Tsuen River, while 75% of the residents do not know that the Lam Tsuen River collects usable fresh water for Hong Kong.
There is some news that is related to pollution. On the 18th of April 2020, some residents directly discharged chemical waste to the river like paint, and untreated sewage flows to the channel fluvial habitat. The crops will be polluted if farmers use the polluted water for irrigation, and some of the aquatic life and habitat will be damaged and destroyed. In Hong Kong, heavy rain also happens oftenly. The rainy season in Hong Kong is normally between April and September. Rain could be particularly heavy during May and June due to summer monsoons and typhoon may also bring heavy rainstorm.
In April 2011, Lam Tsuen Valley was rated as a medium-risk flooding black spot because it has a low-lying and gentle relief. Also, heavy rain happens often in summer, and large catchment areas collect a lot of water from Tai Po Shan and Tai Po District. When a discharge is greater than the bankful discharge of the river water overflows. Serious flooding can cause loss of life and properties, drown settlement, disturb transportation, and affect local vegetable production due to crop failure. There are some possible measures to tackle the problem of flooding. Firstly, building bypass floodways to let the water flow to the sea. The function of it is to discharge the intercepted flows to the Tolo Harbor. Monitoring systems are also built to be ready for rainstorms. It is attended to flood-related incidents during heavy rainstorms. Also, it can raise people's awareness to ask affected residents to evacuate. This is the end of our presentation. Hope you can know more about Lam Tsuen Village. Thank you.